Looking for high-quality personal protective equipment for sale online? Global WholeHealth Partners is the leading supplier of medical-grade masks, gloves, and thermometers, as well as COVID-19 diagnostic testing kits. While we are hopeful that with the continued distribution of the major vaccines, COVID cases will begin to decline, we recognize that demand remains high for personal protective equipment. Even as places begin to reopen, the use of PPE gear is often required or recommended to help continue to slow the spread of COVID-19. We have been able to source and supply these in-demand products throughout the pandemic as a result of our partnerships with key players in the industry, and will continue to provide these in-demand products to our interested parties in wholesale quantities. Visit our medical supply page to view our inventory and get in touch with us to place your wholesale order. Call 877-568-4947.